Ultraviolette presents F99 Factory Racing. The F99 is claimed to produce a maximum power of 120 HP, 90 kilowatts, allowing the bike to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds, with a top speed of 265 km per hour. One of the characteristics of the F99 is its aerodynamics, which uses shapes and technology adopted in the field of aeronautics. The F99 has carbon fiber components such as the fairing and fins. In addition, one of the main objectives of the project is an aerodynamic study, namely looking at the air intakes, especially the two at the front, and the conveyors with the aim of optimizing airflow and reducing the aerodynamic drag of the motorcycle, as well as effectively deflecting the air away from the rider's body. Another important innovation is the air blade, which, by adapting to lean angles, increases downforce when cornering. This real-time electronic system guarantees optimal performance. Multiple wings are strategically placed at the front and rear of the vehicle to regulate aerodynamic efficiency by increasing the load on the front in a straight line. The F99's liquid-cooled electric motor is claimed to produce a maximum power of 120 HP, 90 kilowatts, allowing the bike to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds, with a top speed of 265 km per hour.